my fellow makeup enthusiasts. This is not exactly a makeup video. This is going to be an unboxing. And I know that I used to do a lot of unboxing videos and I kind of got out of the habit of it, but I always used to have fun doing them. So I think it's time to bring some back. Maybe not subscription box unboxings, but maybe like hauls. This is a birthday unboxing. So this is a birthday gift that I got from my sister Kara. And hello Kara. And I know that Kendall, my niece, is probably watching this as well. Hello Kendall. She is a model. I am such a proud auntie. So love my girl so much. I'm excited to get into this. And I know I've been away for a little bit. We'll talk about that at a much later date because I want to keep this video perky. So this is the gift that I got from my little sister, and it is in a whiskey glass set. I don't think it's actually whiskey glasses, although I wouldn't mind if it were because I've been watching Mad Men so much lately. Do you guys watch Mad Men? Does anybody watch that show? I'm obsessed, and this would make me feel like, you know, some kind of 1960s copy editor. Yeah. Female copy editor. Anyway, I don't think this is whiskey glasses, so we're gonna get into it. Okay, right away, I see color. I see color. What is this? We have rainbow scrub. Is this a bath scrub? Oh my gosh. This is a foaming sugar scrub. This is my favorite kind of scrub in the whole world. And what brand is it? This is Three Chicks Soap Company. Sorry, I did not remember to bring my glasses. Oh my gosh, this is so fun. It smells amazing. What does it smell like? It smells sugary. It just smells sugary, but it smells so good. Look at that. Look at how fun that is. Oh my gosh, I want to take a bath right freaking now. Okay, I'm seeing another bath product. This is a bath bomb. Oh, you guys know that I love my bath bombs. This is from the same company, Three Chicks Soap Company, and this is called Birthday Suit. How appropriate. And I can't smell too much through the plastic, but it smells really good. I don't know what it smells like. It just smells like something that I want to put in the bath water. That's what it smells like. And next up we have a little sachet. Are you fucking kidding me? Sorry, Kendall. I told your mom that I dropped the F-bomb. Please do not drop the F-bomb in class and be like, well, my Aunt Lainey drops the F-bomb on YouTube. It's not okay. Sometimes it's okay, but it's not always okay. I'm sure you know. You got a great mama. But, oh my God. Holy fuck. This is a Storybooks Cosmetics brush set. I've been wanting one of these. I've been whining my butt off about how much I want new brushes. Is this what? It's the Harry Potter one! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, they feel so soft. What do we have? This one is, I think this is Hermione's wand. You know what? I am such a bad Harry Potter nerd. I should know everyone's wand, and I don't. Oh my gosh. And this is an angle brush. I didn't do my brows today, so I should have used this morning. I should have done this earlier so that I could have done my brows. Actually, I did very minimal makeup today because as soon as I finish filming this video, I'm going to get a vampire facial. And yeah, you can bet that I will be posting pictures on Instagram so that I can be like Kim Kardashian. Was that the girl who popularized it? I don't even remember. I just know that I'm getting old and I need all the help I can get, so I'm getting a vampire facial today. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is my favorite kind of brush too, to get right there in the corner and deepen up that outer. I can't even talk. I can't even talk. Oh my gosh. Now I know that this is the Elder Wand. And this is a nice fluffy brush. Oh my gosh, I love you, Kara. This is so great. Oh my gosh. And then this one, oh, this is the kind of brush that I've been needing. This is like the type of brush that I like to use to pack on color that is difficult. This is a really good brush for that. I'm so out of practice. I'm not trying to be a YouTuber right now. Actually, I'm just trying to do an unboxing. This is so fabulous. This is so fabulous. Oh my gosh, I can't believe I have these. I feel so loved. You have no idea. And oh my gosh, you guys, if you don't know, I'm adopted. So I have only known my blood family for a little over 6 years. And I've thought about doing a whole story time video explaining like how I met everybody. It's a really, really cool story. It's no drama. It's no heartache, no lying, no childhood trauma of feeling unwanted or not knowing where I came from. None of that. My story is actually very, very happy. So I will tell it to you one of these days. And then I think we're to the end. We have a big blue box oh my gosh, of Ariel perfume. Oh my gosh, that's amazing. Can you see it? Oh my, yeah, see, I got lighting. Can you see it reflected in this? I'm gonna take it out. Here we go. Isn't that pretty? Oh my gosh. I'm keeping this bottle forever. Even when I'm finished with the perfume, I'm gonna keep this bottle. Let's see what she smells like. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it smells so good. It smells fruity. It just, oh wow, I am just failing miserably at describing scents right now. But it smells nice and fruity, definitely something that I would wear even if it didn't say Ariel, but it says Ariel, so that's a bonus. I smell beautiful. I can't wait to take a bath when I get home and my face looks disgusting. This was amazing. One of the best birthday gifts ever, ever, ever. Kara, thank you so, so much. I love you so, so much. And I will see you guys if you're watching this just because, thank you for watching this just because. I have every intention of doing the blind faith makeup tag. I already have my answers written out, and so as soon as my face stops being red, as I think it will be for several days, I will do the blind faith makeup tag, and I'll see you guys then. Do I want to do my sign off? Yeah, let's do the sign off. So as always, thank you so very much for joining me. Throw me a pity like, give me some encouragement to make some more videos. Follow me on Instagram. I will follow you back. Very special shout out to you if you were watching this video on the toilet, and until next time, stay adorably obsessed with makeup.